Good morning, sir. Sir, it's a pleasure that you are here today, and it's a good thing that our alumni, Advocate Jahangir Khan, and he is a standing council, government standing council in district Shupayan and district Pulwama. Sir, can you please introduce yourself in brief?
Thanks. I would like to thank the college administration for inviting me here today and for being part of this event today. It's a pleasure for me to be in this college where I have studied my law way back in 2003, and the experience over here was immense. Like, we came just from the schools and enrolled in the colleges, studied law here, roamed the streets over here. We have lived this campus. So I am very thankful to the college administration for inviting me here.
Sir, I would also like to ask you, what aspects of your college experience do you value the most? Yes.
Every aspect of the college life is special for everyone, every student in his life, every person in his life. The college gives you a knack of everything, and it is the first stage where you start maturing in the person you are going to be throughout your life. This is the stage of your life while you have to be like, you have to focus on things, and while you cannot be like, you cannot go astray, you should not go astray from the purpose you have. So the aspects which I have here in college, like what I got from the college, the immense experience I share, the values I share from the college, is that this college was the first college which introduced a 5-year course in J&K, and for that we are the second batch of J&K in 5 years law college. My all friends and everybody, mashallah, is doing good in his life. We had the best faculty at that point of time over here. Our faculty included Monica ma'am, also was being knowing as the present Advocate General, also after the J&K High Court. So we had that committee at that point of time also, and I'm right now also seeing that the college has prospered into a very good educational institution for all the community here, for whole of the area and whole of the J&K. So in that way, I'll say that we are lucky to be part of the college.
Yes, sir. And sir, can you please tell me, how did your time at our college shape your personal and professional growth?
Time at the college, I would again like to thank the faculty at that point of time and all the teachers who were here. We studied law here, we studied in 5 years course, we used to study the politics also and all that thing, polity, history, and the value system. We were used to those curricular activities which are part of the legal system. We were going to courts frequently than other colleges, I would say. That we used to be in courts in every month. We used to have a court visit also. In every session we used to have a court visit also. And majorly what is being done is that majorly most of the pass outs, most of the law students, they end up in the litigation process, they end up in legal profession. So you have to keep them abreast of what is ahead of them. What is ahead of them? Aage kya hai aapke, what is it like to be the profession? So you have, from the very beginning, you have to imbibe in the students that where they are actually going and what do they need for that. So that aspect was always in the college, that aspect was kept in mind in the administration always, that they kept us abreast of the legal profession and the other professions as well, while we can land up after the college.
Yes. And sir, how has your college education contributed to your career success?
Most of the lawyers would say that it is completely different to be in the college and in the practice. That is true to some extent, but I would say that I would not completely disagree with it, but I will differ from it in a very moderate way, that legal profession and college are interconnected deeply. That when you study law in the college, you gain some knowledge of the law, and it is obviously going to give you benefits in your profession, and that is what is more important, that you have the knowledge of the law is organic. you need to be aware about the law. You have to study the law. You have to be like efficient in studying and learning the law in the college to be able to change it into practice tomorrow. Because you are taught law here, you are not taught the practice. Obviously, in the colleges, show you how to argue. They are your own skills, but you develop those skills in college. You maneuver those skills in the college. That is what is most important. That you have to be attentive in your classroom. I would like to say to the whole of the students here that you have to be attentive in the classroom, so that so little knowledge or whatever little knowledge you have is you have to be here. So this is very important, that legal knowledge is most necessary thing you would have to have.
Okay. Sir, can you please share some recent accomplishments or any milestone which